Good morning, guys. We're from Kings Island, Ohio, and we are checking in over behind Great Wolf Lodge at the employee dorms construction. As you can see, it's still a whole bunch of dirt. Construction crews are on site, though, however. They're ready to move forward with the project. And we'll see how it goes.
And just like that, the haunt decorations have started to pop up at the front gate. And throughout Labor Day weekend, it's dollar days. You can get dollar hot dogs, pizza, drinks, ice cream, popcorn, sweet cut treats, and games, and some merchandise.
And our first ride of the day is in Vertigo, the last of the standard Vekoma inverted boomerangs in the United States. Let's go take a ride on it.
And if you're a pizza lover, that's your place to be, is they have these dollar pizza. Yep, and yum. And just like that, Tower Gardens is closed for haunt. And the candy canes for Winterfest have been installed, and as you can see, those candy canes are wrapped up for haunt. We can't wait for it. The bandstand up at the end of the fountains in front of Eiffel Tower has been painted, and it's arrival for blood drums. Can't wait for that to be back. And some testing's going on. It's not for hot-blooded. Interested to see what goes back in the International Showplace Theater for Halloween Haunt.
As you can see over here on International Street, all the lighting for Haunt and Winterfest has been reinstalled. Can't wait to be back on this fountain ice skating.
Alright, Monster Riders, how's that ride? That sounds pretty good. So when it comes to stop, someone will be around to help you out of your seat.
Well, over near the old Board of Death location, there's some new scaffolding up, and the building's been painted. So it looks like this area will be used for haunt.
You guys remember how we were telling you about the old Flight Commander spot and how we would like to see something here? Well, we now know that the old antique cars will be returning to this very location. It's always going to be nice. This whole area will be leveled, from what we can think. Coke Refresh Station will be gone, we think, probably. And all this will be used for the return of the antique cars, new for 2019. One thing to note, after Labor Day weekend, this game will be gone, as it's going to be used in the area for the all-new antique cars. Look over here at the old Flight Commander spot again. And just, this all is going to change next year. It's going to look great. And yes, the old Dinosaurs Alive gift shop area entrance and now a smoking area will be used for the all-new Kings Mill antique cars in 2019. Hello, Windseeker. Let's go take a ride on it and see if anything's changed over in the old Dinosaurs Alive area. And with our last ride on Windseeker, there's nothing new over in Dinosaurs Alive at all. Field of Screams is up. About half of it is up and ready for haunt. And after riding Windseeker, that right there is the beginning of the construction for the Kings Mills Antique Autos. We may be 30 years old, maybe 31 years old. Still gives a good ride. Let's go take a ride on Vortex.
When we said something about dollar hot dogs, over here at the Jukebox Diner, you can get dollar hot dogs. Yum, yum, and oh yeah, yum.
Shake, rattle, and roll. Can I get a whoop whoop?
Tells me these little footers are going to be used for either Haunt or Winterfest. I guess we'll find out in the later months. There's a lot of footers all the way around over near the Roses and Vortex.
And a look from up top of Eiffel Tower at the employee dorms area is still just a whole bunch of dirt. Hopefully some stuff gets thrown up here soon. And nothing new over at the former Dinosaurs Alive area as well.
Well guys, that is going to do it for this update around the park. Overall, all the Haunt attractions are coming together and ready to be open on September 21st when the park opens for Halloween Haunt. And the antique cars are coming along nicely with very little construction starting now, but more to happen soon. So if you are new to the channel, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys out on the hills.